There was once a young man named Daniel who wanted to speak English perfectly. Every night, after work, he opened his books, played videos, and repeated new words again and again. He worked hard, but no matter how much he studied, he still felt nervous when he spoke. One evening, feeling tired and disappointed, he went for a walk. It was raining softly. As he passed a small bookshop, something in the window caught his eye. An old brown notebook with the words, "Every day counts," written on the cover. He went inside, bought it, and carried it home without knowing why. That night, he opened the notebook and decided to write just a few sentences in English about his day. "Today I worked late. It rained. I bought this notebook." He closed it and smiled a little. It wasn't perfect, but it was something. The next night he wrote again, and the night after that. Slowly, writing became a small habit, a quiet moment just for himself. Weeks passed. One morning, Daniel realized that English words were coming to him more easily. He no longer needed to translate in his mind. The sentences flowed naturally. His confidence grew, not because he studied harder, but because he showed up every day, even for 5 minutes. The notebook had become his friend, a space where he could make mistakes, learn from them, and keep going. 1 year later, Daniel opened the first page of his old notebook. The paper had softened, and the ink had faded a little. He began to read his first sentences, the ones he had written on that rainy night. They were short, full of small mistakes, and a little awkward. But instead of feeling embarrassed, he smiled. Each wrong word, each missing S, each simple sentence showed him how far he had come. He turned the pages slowly. With every month, his writing grew stronger. The sentences became longer, the words more confident, the ideas clearer. It was like watching a quiet movie of his own progress. He realized that he hadn't just been learning English. He had been building patience, discipline, and trust in himself. For a long time, he thought success meant speaking perfectly. But now he understood something deeper. Learning English is not a race to finish. It's a slow, quiet journey made of small steps. One word today, one sentence tomorrow, one paragraph next week. The power is not in speed. It's in showing up again and again, even when it feels hard. He closed the notebook gently and looked out the window. The same rain was falling, just like that first night a year ago. But this time, it didn't feel cold. It felt peaceful. He whispered to himself, "I'm not done learning. I'm just getting started." You don't need to be perfect to grow. You just need to keep going. One page, one word, one moment at a time.